Welcome to Consumer Behavior Online. My name is Mr. Rankin, and I'll be your instructor for this course. Purpose of this video is to give you a quick overview, an introduction to what the course is going to be about. So we're going to start out by defining what consumer behavior is. And it's the study of how consumers make purchasing decisions. So it's basically how consumers go from here, where they recognize a need or a want for a product or service, to over here, where they actually make the purchasing decision. As you might expect, there's a lot that you can go on between knowing that I want something and actually making the decision. So Unit 2 will take a look at the first type of factors, which are internal factors. So people oftentimes think differently, have different views. Advertisers take advantage of this. Notice Gillette makes two kinds of razor blades. Notice the difference in packaging, coloring, naming for the two kinds of razor blades that they make. Advertisers also understand that internal to our brain does a lot of association. So if they can make sure that we associate happy times, fun times, youth with a soft drink, it's to their benefit. After we talk about the internal factors, we'll move into Unit 3, where we'll talk about some of the external factors: family, friends, groups. Example where the manufacturers took advantage of this is cake mix. When they were first introduced, you didn't add eggs. But some people felt they were taking too many shortcuts. In fact, when they surveyed them, people felt they weren't good housewives if they didn't make the meal. They added eggs to the mix, and cake mix sales increased dramatically. After we talk about internal factors, external factors, we'll talk about different situations and how people behave differently in different situations. Now, I'm not a smoker, but I've always seen when somebody asks another smoker for a light to light a cigarette, they almost always provide it to them. But let's take a look at what happens when the situation is changed around a little bit. So after we take a look at all the internal, external factors and different situations, we'll take a look at wrapping it all up and how manufacturers can influence people to increase consumption and improve customer satisfaction and customer loyalty. Hope this helps, and if you have any questions, let me know.